Hi friends, welcome back to Chim Sneaker. So today I've got a new pair of slipper from New Balance. So let's check out the quality of slipper from this brand. So what I have in my hand is a US 7 New Balance slipper for women. So from the first look, the slipper is made from Evas plastic, which is very familiar for any type of slipper, and the quality of the midsole and outsole you can see here is very light in my hand, and I think it is very soft. What my feeling. So actually the whole midsole and outsole is a mess. So there is basically two parts here, the part down here and the upper here. And from what I'm feeling here, there is very good cushioning under the places, under the holder of the slipper. So you can feel very good feeling whenever putting your feet inside the slipper. And also with this colorway like black and silver, it looks very shiny and very noticeable under the sun. Okay, so I think it is very good. But actually for the price, like for the retail price, it is around $40, which I believe is too hecky expensive. But actually I purchased it for around $20, so I think it's still pricey, but it's acceptable. Okay, so that's it, my quick review of this model. See you again in another episode of Chim Sticker. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.